What a privilege it is and an honor for me to be able to send these greetings and words of congratulations to MJ on the publication of his book. I remember when we met in Korea for the first time. We sat down, we had a number of conversations. And what struck me most is that MJ began our meetings by telling me the story of his father. It became clear to me as our conversations continued how you absorbed and carried forward the sense of public service that you got from your father. We discussed a range of topics for the book about Korean politics, about global affairs, and about what makes for a just society. So I feel honored and privileged to be included in the conversations that you've written about MJ, and also to send these greetings from afar as you celebrate the publication of this book. Congratulations, and may it contribute to public discourse in Korea and throughout the world.
Je suis très heureux de pouvoir féliciter mon ami Chung Moong-jeon à l'occasion de la parution de son livre. Et non seulement par amitié, je le fais depuis Paris, j'aimerais être à ses côtés à Séoul, mais le message depuis Paris est le suivant, c'est que Chung Moong-jeon, pour moi, est une bonne représentation du futur de la Corée. C'est un homme qui n'est pas un aristocrate du passé, ne se contente pas de contempler la réussite de son pays, pas du tout. C'est un homme qui est animé d'une grande curiosité intellectuelle, une grande curiosité pour les autres. Il aime bien la confrontation avec des idées qui ne sont pas forcément les siennes. Il souhaite savoir comment le reste du monde voit la Corée. Il n'est pas dans le nombrilisme, il n'est pas dans la contemplation, il est dans, encore une fois, la curiosité. Et c'est en cela qu'il, me semble-t-il, caractérise son pays. On le voit également dans sa vie politique, dans sa vie économique. Il aurait pu se contenter de gérer son héritage, mais pas du tout. Il va à la rencontre des Coréens et pas forcément de ceux qui lui sont favorables. Il aurait pu se contenter de gérer une entreprise héritée, pas du tout. Il préfère s'intéresser aux Coréens qui sont en difficulté, et leur apporter une aide humanitaire. Donc pour moi, c'est un homme assez particulier, assez excellent, assez singulier. Et c'est une raison pour laquelle j'aime la Corée, c'est parce qu'elle génère ce type de personnage assez extraordinaire, comme l'espèce de chevalier des temps modernes.
Dr. Chung, MJ, I want to extend to you my sincerest congratulations on the publication of your 4 books. It is a crowning achievement, and I want to thank you for the opportunity to be part of this experience. I have to say that my conversations with you were supremely enlightening and stimulating for me. I did not know the true brilliance of your intellect. I mean, I've worked with many different leaders in American government, but I can honestly say that I've met no one with the intellectual curiosity and breadth of knowledge that you have on so many different topics, whether we're talking about American democracy or politics in Korea or American pop culture or economics or finance or any number of different related fields. But I have to say, of all the things that really surprised me when I met with you, it was just the warmth and genuineness that you brought on a very personal level. I think I had some preconceptions about what it would be like to meet someone of your stature. But you opened your heart and your mind to me in such a humane way that I immediately felt this sense of connection. And I hope that this is something that other people can see through your books, because I suspect that it's maybe not something that a lot of people can really engage and get a sense for just by seeing you on television. So my hope is that through these books that you're publishing today, people will get to see the MJ that I have gotten to know, which is someone who is a brilliant intellect, someone who's fiercely independent and always honest. And lastly, someone who is an incredibly humane and considerate human being who really thinks with his heart as much as he does with his mind. So I wish you much continued success and luck in 2012. Congratulations, and I hope to see you again soon.